Hey guys, it's Sugar Skull Candy and I'm bringing you something a little different today. So far I've done like all sorts of cutesy, pretty stuff. I decided today I'm going to do something that is kind of cute, but we're going to put a little creepy twist on it. So today we're going to do a creepy doll face type thing. And honestly, the reason why I want to do this because I had this dress, which I never wear because I think it looks too little girlish, but it's super cute. And this dress is perfect for a creepy doll look. So that's why I'm doing this. And without further ado, let's get started. All right, so first things first, I need to put my hair in ponytails. So I'm gonna take my bobby pins out and I'm going to put my hair in ponytails and pigtails to make it look more little girlish, dollish. I never have my hair parted down the middle like this. This is kind of creepy already. There we go. I feel like I'm like 8 again. Oh my God. I didn't realize how long my hair actually is until I put my hair in ponytails. Holy crap. This is probably the longest I've ever had my hair in my entire life. Alright, so anyway, first thing we're gonna do is our eyes. So first I'm gonna fill in my eyebrows like normal with my e.l.f. brow pencil. Alright, so after you have your eyebrows done, we're gonna prime our eyes. And as always, I'm using my e.l.f. primer in the color Sheer. After we have our primer on, we're gonna go in and do a yellow eyeshadow. I'm gonna kind of try to stick with the Hello Kitty theme. And since she has a yellow nose, I'm gonna do yellow eyeshadow because red eyeshadow would just look weird, I think. So I'm going in with my Ultimate Palette and I'm gonna use the yellow in the corner down here. After you've applied the yellow, go in with a black eyeshadow and I'm gonna add that to my crease. Now that we have our the black on, we're going to take a white pencil liner and line the bottom of our eyes dramatically. We're going to add a super thick line, makeup on my face, because it's going to make our eyes look bigger and more doll-like. After we finish that, I'm going to take a black liner and line that so it looks cleaner and so it looks like my eye ends down here instead of right here. And I'm going in with this black liner. It's called Nano Liner. It's by Absolute New York. I got this at what was it called, TJ Maxx for like a few bucks and I really like it. It's a super thin brush. So if you like super thin brushes like this, I recommend this. And I'm also going to go in and add liner to my top lid as well. Alright, now we're just starting to look a little more creepy dollish. So next I'm going to curl my eyelashes, put a little mascara on, and then put on some fake eyelashes. Note that I'm not putting any mascara on the bottom lashes because we extended our bottom waterline. So I'm going to be putting on some fake lashes on the bottom of the eye that I've created. If you put mascara on your bottom lashes, that would ruin the illusion. So next, let's put on our fake eyelashes. For the top lashes, I'm putting these on solely because they have a bow on it, which matched the bow on my dress. There's probably a way easier way to do that, but that's what I thought of on the spot. So now we have our eyes done, and they look horribly dramatic. That's why I cut the bottom lashes, because I thought they were too much. I guess this helped a little bit, but whatever. Okay, onto the face. All right, so next we're gonna put on foundation, and I already have primer on, and I also put on, I always put pore filler on because my pores are pretty bad, so I already have pore filler on and I have primer on, and I'm gonna go ahead and put foundation on. I use Bare Minerals, and I found this shade at TJ Maxx, and I'm like, oh my god, it's my color. So that's always fun when you find something at TJ Maxx that you normally pay full price for. And I'm going in with my beauty blender, and I'm just going to put that everywhere, carefully around the eyelashes. My beauty blender's not wet enough. Now that we have our foundation on, I am going to put, I'm going to set it with my setting powder. I also got this at TJ Maxx recently. I mean, like, a setting powder is a setting powder, so they're all the same. And it was only a few bucks, so I was like, why not? Next, we're going to contour. I'm going to take my e.l.f. contour palette, and, where is it? Here it is. And contour my cheeks, my chin, my nose, and my forehead a little bit. Now that we're done contouring, we're going to highlight just a little bit on our nose and our cheeks, because I want the focus to be the blush, really, because we're going to do like really like circly, perfectly pink blush on our cheeks. I got this, the eyeshadow. I got this highlighter from my Ipsy bag this month, and I really like it. I'm bad at explaining things. And then we're gonna add some blush. This I also got from my Ipsy bag this month by Laurant. And it's the perfect shade of pink for this tutorial. I'm just gonna do perfect little circles on the balls of my cheeks. I kind of want it to be even pinker than that, but well, let's see what I can do. I think that's better. Super, super pink. So next we're gonna work on the mouth. We're gonna make like this creepy, like almost like a ventriloquist, like, you know those jaws that just drop? Something like that. So instead of using a red lipstick, I'm going to use a red matte lipstick. This one dries, so I won't have the problem of it rubbing off onto my white lip. Now that I have my bottom lip filled in, I'm going to take black liner and outline where I want my mouth to be. Now that I outline where I want my mouth to be, I'm going to go in and draw my teeth on my bottom lip, and then I'm going to add white on the bottom as well, so I have bottom teeth. I'm going to draw the teeth on those lips, and then I'm going to fill in my bottom and top lip with red lipstick. Next, I'm going to take black body paint. I'm going to fill in this area here. So the brand I use is called Bold Buggles, and I got this off of Amazon. This is what it looks like. And you do have to put water in it to activate it. But it's super opaque. I love it. And it's easier than using like a black eyeliner to try to fill that big space in. I think I need to make my top lip bigger because they're kind of disproportionate right now. I think that's better. So my teeth didn't turn out exactly how I would have liked them. I think my bottom teeth turned out a little too small. And you can see the black line in my bottom lip. But whatever. I mean, it's still creepy, right? I'm just gonna go in and darken my teeth one more time. I think the mouth is done. This is like more unsettling than anything else that I can think of. Okay. So I think I'm gonna draw like a crack on my head as if like I was dropped or something. I'm gonna go in with NYX's That's the Point to draw the crack in my head. And I'm just gonna like draw like little spider web things almost. Doesn't have to be perfect. I mean, there's no such thing as a perfect crack. So there's our crack. And I think one of the last things I'm gonna add is like freckles to my face. And I'm gonna do them with black because it's a doll. And a lot of the doll's features are with black for some reason instead of like natural skin colors. Might have went a little crazy with the freckles, but I just removed a couple freckles so I didn't like them on the tip of the nose. But I think we're done. I was maybe gonna add some teardrops, but no. I'm going for more of like a maniacal, creepy, crazy look. And I think I've achieved that. And I don't want my face to look overcrowded, so there we are. Play with me. Do you want to be friends? If you like this creepy kind of spooky look I did today, leave comments down below and I can definitely do more of this kind of stuff for you guys. And as always, if you liked what you saw today, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching today. Have a great day, everyone. Hey guys, it's Sugar Skull Candy, and I just finished filming this tutorial, and since I scared my boyfriend so much with it, we decided that we're gonna go through the Taco Bell drive-thru and see what the drive-thru window person thinks.
Scared the crap out of me.
Bingo. You're probably gonna be spitting our food now. Why did you do that? Holy crap! Good idea, baby. He's trying to get everyone to come to the window now.
Say that to him. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yep. Do not
Scare me.
I know.
It looks awesome though.
Thank you, thank you.
I know, it's pretty cool.
Y'all gotta be on my YouTube.
Really?
Yeah. Thank you. Mission accomplished.